Tuombe. Ewe Mwenyezi Mungu, ambaye kwa hekima na wema wako umeteua nyadhifa za viongozi na mabunge kwa ustawi wa jamii na utawala wa haki wa wanadamu, tutakusihi utazame kwa neema nyingi sisi watumishi wako ambao umeridhika kutuita ili kutekeleza shughuli muhimu za jamhuri hii yetu. Tutakuomba ututeremshie baraka zako sisi tuliokutanika hapa, na utujalie kuyatenda na kufikiria mambo yote yatakayofikishwa mbele yetu kwa njia ya haki na uaminifu, ili utukufu na sifa zako ziendelezwe, na ili kustawisha amani, ufanisi na heri ya nchi hii yetu, na wale ambao haja zao umezikabidhi mikononi mwetu. Amin. Next order.
Order number 1, administration of oath.
Next order.
Order number 2, communication from the chair.
Honorable members, I have a communication. Allow me to bring to your attention the various pending businesses before the committees. About the bills, we have 3 bills, namely the Nakuru County Gender Reproductive Health Bill, number 3 of 2024. That is before the Committee on Early Childhood Education and Vocational Training. 2, the Nakuru County Persons with Disability Amendment Bill, number 5 of 2024. That is before the Labor, Gender, Youth and Social Welfare Committee. Bill number 3, the Nakuru County Fisheries and Aquaculture Management Bill, number 4 of 2024. That is before the Committee on Agriculture. The above 3 legislation were read for the first time in accordance with the provisions of Standing Order 122 and committed to the relevant committees. I believe the concerned committees have undertaken public participation as required. We expect the subsequent stages of the bill to ensue in earnest. Honorable members, we have pending petitions. The first petition is by the displaced person living in Parkview sublocation, Mwariki Barut Ward, that is bordering Lake Nakuru National Park, concerning the rising water levels caused by climate change. That was committed before the Committee on Environment, Energy, Water and Natural Resources. There is a petition by Peter Juguna on behalf of the residents of Kinungi concerning encroachment and illegal acquisition of plots number 74875 within Kinungi Township that were originally earmarked for early childhood development and education, that is ECDE, and dumping site by the Catholic Church at Kinungi to the detriment of the residents of Kinungi. That was committed to the Committee on Land, Housing and Physical Planning. Number 3, petition by Bruce Lesoy on behalf of the people living with disability in Nakuru County, seeking the Assembly intervention to ensure that the people living with disability funds are utilized to meet its intended objective and not to revert to the Treasury at the end of every financial year. That was committed to the Committee on Rules and Delegated Procedures. Petition number 4 is by Laban Omusudi, urging the County Assembly to restrain the County Executive from hiring law firms to represent the county in county cases and using public funds in paying deliberate, erroneous dismissed county employees. That petition was committed to the Committee on Justice and Legal Affairs. Petition number 5 is by Parkview, Moreki and Barut communities, seeking the indulgence of the County Assembly to urge the county government to allow and license commercial farming, commercial fishing in their region as they await compensation from the government for the adverse effects of rising water levels attributed to climate change. That was committed to the Committee on Agriculture. Petition number 6, petition by Nakuru Salon and Barbers and Beauty Association, urging the County Assembly to investigate the companies involved, that is Angels and Rush companies, for operating unregulated businesses within Nakuru County. That petition was committed to the Committee on Trade, Tourism and Cooperatives. Number 7, petition by Laban Omusudi, urging the County Assembly to amend the Standing Orders Section 67 to include the impeachment of County Secretary, Chief Officers, Public Service Board, and any other person. That petition was committed to the Rules and Delegated Legislation Committee. Petition number 8, a petition by Laban Omusudi, who is a resident of Nakuru County, Nakuru Town East, urging the County Assembly not to be approving county budget beyond 35% for the wage bill, since it's contrary to Public Finance Management Act. That was committed to the Committee on Budget and Appropriations. There is another petition by Laban Omusudi, who is a resident of Nakuru Town East, urging the County Assembly to put in place measures to protect all cemeteries to deter exhumation as witnessed in the mainstream media houses. That was committed to the Committee on Health Services. There is another petition by Githima Welfare Association. These are residents of Shaba Board, urging the County Assembly to conduct an environmental assessment of Menengai Industries to determine the level of pollution and engage with the affected residents to provide compensation for damages and solutions to mitigate further harm. That again was committed to the Committee on Environment, Water, Energy, and Natural Resources. Another petition is a petition by the Lorraine Farm community seeking the intervention of the County Assembly for their settlement in Rogai Sub-County. That was given and was committed to Land, Housing, and Physical Planning. The next petition was by Nakuru Disabled Person Caucus. That was courtesy of Tegemeo Disabled Persons Self-Help Group, seeking the intervention of the County Assembly regarding the missing body of a 7-month-old baby, who was a Mercy Chepngeno from PGH Level 5. That was committed to the Committee on Health. There is another petition by Black Coffee Network and a consortium of civil societies organizations in Nakuru County regarding the full operationalization of Rhoda Youth Friendly Center. That was committed to the Committee on Health. Petition number 14, petition by Universal Health Coverage, Nakuru staffs, that is the nurses, regarding the immediate absorbing of all the UHC staff to permanent and pensionable terms, and to pay them the gratuity for years worked for. That was committed to the Committee on Health. Honorable members, we seek your patience. All these are the pending businesses before this Honorable House. Now we go to statements. The first statement was made to the Chairperson, Committee on Budget and Appropriations, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable David Wathiae concerning the distribution of hawkers vouchers under the Youth Empowerment Program in the Office of the Governor. 2, the Chairperson of the Committee on Culture, Sports and Community Services, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Joseph Mwangi Morai, MCA for Viwandani Ward in Naivasha, concerning the impact of sports fund among the youth. Number 3, the Chairperson of the Committee on Agriculture, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable John Mwangi Masharia concerning the status of cold store for the Narig project for the financial year 2022-2023 in Turi Ward. 4, the Chairperson on the Committee on Lands, Housing and Physical Planning, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Jane Gituko, the MCA for Mayela Ward, concerning allocation of plots and procedures of repossession in Mayela Ward. Statement number 5, the Chairperson, Committee on Trade, Tourism, Cooperatives and Planning, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Grace Mwadhi on the number of licensed bars in Bahati Ward. Statement number 6, the Chairperson, Committee on Land, Housing and Physical Planning, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Wathiae Masharia concerning the ownership and rent remittance of Molo County houses. Number 7, the Chairperson of the Committee on Finance, Economic Planning and Administration, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Philip Wanjohi concerning ward project savings. Another statement, number 8, the statement was requested to the Chairperson, Committee on Labor, Gender, Youth and Social Welfare, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable William Mutai concerning the status of recruitment of the recently advertised jobs by the County Public Service Board in various departments. Number 9, the Chairperson of the Committee on Finance, Economic Planning and Administration, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable John Masharia Gashiri concerning the own source revenue collection. Number 10, the Chairperson, Committee on Trade, Tourism, Cooperatives and Planning, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Isaac Rotok regarding the operationalization of Orongai Market. Statement number 11, the Chairperson of the Committee on Agriculture, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Alex Bor concerning the construction of Chebitoik, Tomoyot, and completion of the Chematich Buying Center, Tea Buying Center in Kiptororo Ward in Nakuru County. The Chairperson of the Committee on Trade, Tourism, Cooperatives and Planning, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Rose Gadhoni concerning the insecurity in Gilgil Market. Statement number 13, to the Chairperson, Committee on Health Services, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Gorenganga regarding the renovation works at Molo Sub-County Hospital. Statement number 14, the Chairperson, Committee on Labor, Gender, Youth and Social Welfare, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Stanley Karanja concerning the distribution of youth empowerment equipment at the ward level for the financial year 2023-2024. Statement number 15, to the Chairperson of the Committee on Culture, Sports and Community Services, to respond to a statement that was requested sorry for that, 15, statement number 14. This was requested by, from the Chairperson, Committee on Culture, Sports and Community Services, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable Stanley Karanja. Concerning the construction of sanitary block, water connection, and installation of floodlights at Jawadho Stadium in Joro Ward, which was allocated a total of 7 million in the financial year 2022-2023. Sorry, there is a mixture on that statement. It will be corrected. Statement number 16. The Chairperson of the Committee on Lands, Housing and Physical Planning, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Wadhiai Macharia regarding the land ownership dispute between Nakuru West Health Center and Mr. Anil Walia. Number 17, it's a statement that was requested to the Chairperson, Committee on Culture, Sports and Community Services, to respond to a statement that was requested by the Honorable George Nene concerning the incomplete public address system for the financial year 2024 in Elementaita Ward. The other statement was done to the Chairperson, Committee on Lands, Housing and Physical Planning, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Philip Wanjoy concerning the dispute between Uhuru Welfare Association and the allocated Joro Golf squatters plots in Joro Ward. Statement number 19 was done to the Chairperson, Committee on Health Services, to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Wadhiai Macharia concerning the cost of postmortem at the Nakuru County Provincial Hospital. Statement number 20. The Chairperson, Committee on Culture, Sports and Community Services, was supposed to respond to a statement requested by the Honorable Neto Sakwa concerning this was about the opening of the Afra Stadium. And I think we have seen the reports in the media that, not only in the media, but to the reality that that was opened. But we need a report from the Chairperson before this House, so that now we avoid a situation where committee reports are overtaken by events. So Chairperson, Committee on Sports, take note. The other pending committees, pending reports of the Committee on Park. Chair notes that you have chair and the committee. You have 52 reports that you need to 52 reports that the chairperson and the membership of the Pike Committee, you need to respond and to present before this House. Yeah, 52 reports. So, honorable members, I want to urge the relevant chairpersons of the various committees to expedite all the pending businesses before their committees to enhance meaningful and fruitful engagements in the Assembly. Thank you. Next order.
Order number 3, messages.
There are no messages. Next order.
Order number 4, petitions.
There are no petitions. Next order.
Order number 5, papers.
Next order.
Order number 6, notices of motion.
Next order.
Order number 7, statements.
There are no statements. Next order.
Order number 8, motion.
There are no motion or motions. Next order.
Mr. Speaker, sir, those are the orders of the morning sitting.
We all arise. Honorable members, this House is adjourned to today, 2:30 p.m. Thank you.
Chairman wa Park.